Alrighty, everybody. Hey, Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope you read that disclaimer because, trading's very risky. Stock trading, futures trading. Now there's NFT trading. So you got to be aware. If you got money to risk, that's great. You can win a lot, always, you know that. And you can lose a lot. So, with that said, today's program is going to be pretty special because I got this NFT, non-fungible token. If you received my newsletter, I sent you out the Saturday Night Live clip, guys, of Saturday Night Live, with the guy doing the NFT, the non-fungible token. I'm going to share my screen, show you the MOJO Day Trading chat room, and I'll show you a little bit what the NFTs are. Let me see if I can get the screen correct. I'm not streaming on my regular platform right now. So let's see if we can do this correctly. So you see my screen. This is the MOJO chat room right here. And we have a crypto channel, switching over, crypto channel. So right here, before we start, I'm going to have the dev, one of the main people who have developed this non-fungible token, on the show today in a couple minutes. I'm just going to tell you what a fungible token is so you completely understand when he comes on what he's going to be talking about. I put in the room, anybody who has a Discord chat room, you should totally have these 3 bots. The Bitcoin bot, which I was watching this morning at 60,000. It breached 60,000. Let me see if I can get my thing in here with the screen. Hold on a second. I don't want to maximize. There we go. I know I'd pop up in the corner there sometime, figuring that out. So you should get these Discord bots. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Solana is a coin that you can use to buy NFTs. So if you buy an NFT today and Solana goes up in price, your NFT will probably go up in price. Solana doubles, that looks good. Same thing on the downside. If it goes down, Solana, your NFT would be worth less because you can buy it for less. Ethereum as well. You're buying on OpenSea in the NFT marketplace using Ethereum. And I'm sure you're going to be doing that on Coinbase when they launch their NFT marketplace. For everyone on Coinbase, you hear me, they're launching an NFT, non-fungible token marketplace. What it is, it's a unique crypto, a token that's attached to a digital piece of art like a JPEG, a ping, a GIF, an MP3, a 3D file, which records the origin, authenticity, and proof of ownership and transaction history on the blockchain. So I even have NFTs. You can have a picture and you can make an NFT. What it is, it's a picture that's unique just to that particular picture. And it's worth, if you have a token, and I'll show you, are made up of collections of like 10,000 different images. And out of the 10,000 images, I'll show you right here, this one we're going to be speaking today, the Bohemian Bulldogs, 5,000 of the units are street style, 2,500 are another style, 1,500 are another style. So out of the 10,000, let's say, to keep it simple, 5,000 have a red background, 3,000 have a pink background, 1,000 have a yellow, 50 have a purple, 2 have a silver, and 1 has a gold. Obviously, the silver and the gold are much rarer than the other ones that have 5,000 and are more common. So the ones that are more common, for a price, will be less expensive and cost you less than the big daddy ones. It's like a digital swap meet. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to bring on the dev, introduce him. His name is Adrian for the Bulldogs. That's my son's baseball team name too. And you can check out their Discord channel right here, Bohemian Bulldogs, and we'll bring him on. Let me check, see if I can do this correctly. There he is.
Hey man, what's up?
Howdy, how you doing?
Hey,
Nice
I'm
to meet
fine,
you.
thanks, man. Well, it's weird that I'm seeing just myself. It's
I know I'm
okay.
trying to get you in here with me. Let me see if I can get you. This is the Restreamia, so
Uh-huh.
I usually do it on XSplit, my or OBS, so it's a little bit different
Okay,
for me.
okay, I see.
Hold on, let me shut this off. There we go.
Oh, here, yep,
And I
that's
did it.
much better, much
A little,
better.
a little click here, a little click there, and we figured it out. Absolutely. But I want to be on this side. Let me see if I can move it over. Oh, I can't. Go ahead, no problem. Nice to meet you, Adrian from the
Yeah,
Bulldog. Tell us about your project, how you developed it, what you have going on, what it's doing in its future, and what it's all about. We're listening.
yeah. Hey, Mike, nice to meet you too. So, well, for me, like doing these lives is something new. So I just did one of them before. So it's still a bit strange for me just to talk in this type of communication, you know. So I don't want to sound like a guy who came to you just to promote his projects or just telling, hey, we're Bohemian Bulldogs, purchase our NFTs because we're number one at the market, and that's it. I wanted to share our ideology. I wanted to show our path, what we have gone for the last 2 months, and if someone is interested, if someone wants to join our community, we would be more than glad because currently we're gathering the powerful community for us to continue moving. So we're having a roadmap that we published on our website. Maybe if you could share a screen or open our website, it would be better to for people just maybe to see what the plans are. So for us, the NFT space and the way that we want to move in here is to not just to sell the JPEGs or the PNGs, you know, to the people for $300 to $500 and that's it, and to leave. No, we want with the initial NFT drop that we're doing with the Bohemian Bulldogs. What we want to do, we want to see the people who share our ideology, who understand why we're doing what we're doing. So that is why it's important. So, and that is why I understand that seeing some guy who just hops on the call, who hops on a live stream and just says, "Hey everyone, I'm Adrian from Bohemian Bulldogs. Purchase our NFTs." Well, it looks strange, you know, because people are going to pay money for that, and they need to understand why they're going to do that. So our NFT project is currently at its like final stage of the preparation for the sale. So we're starting the pre-sale in 22 hours. Yeah, less than 22 hours left for the pre-sale for Bohemian Bulldogs. So we've done everything we could. So we're now just talking to community. We're making like this last things before the day X, you know, before we see what the conversion is, before we understand what's the level of trust from community to us. We're doing daily AMAs currently on the Discord. So I just hopped on this call right after the the Discord meeting, and we were talking with our CMO, talking just to the community, answering some questions and so on. So let me start from the very beginning. What is the Bohemian Bulldogs and what the project is about? So the Bohemian Bulldogs is a collection of 10,000 unique NFTs. These NFTs look like bulldogs. You just have seen them on your screens. Mike has shared it. Yes, so you can scroll a little bit down and you can see the images of the bulldogs. Yeah, for example, in here. So we're having 5 collections. These are Street Collection, Bohemian, Boho, Business Collection, capsule collection, yes, and this collection, 5 collections, they are different in their rarity. So we're having like 5,000 in the first one and 100, just 100 in the last one. So the capsule collection that you are currently seeing on your screen, the one with the zipper all over his head, this one is from capsule collection. This NFT will appear in 1% of the mints. So all the mints are being done absolutely randomly, as random as possible, to do that on blockchain because that's included into our smart contract, and that one will be the most valuable for the community. However, all of them will give you access to the private Bohemian Bulldogs community. What's that for? So why we call it the Bohemian Bulldogs community? Why am I talking so much about the community? Because we understand that collecting the group of people who trust our project, that's the key. we are planning to do 3 shots in 3 different directions after the NFT drops. We're planning to go to the GameFi, we're planning to make the NFT university, and we're planning to develop decentralized applications. So what's it about? Let me just a little explain to you. In general, all the NFT projects are just selling the NFTs, selling JPEGs. People hope that they will rise in price on the secondary market. With so what was the reason for them to rise? Yeah, they don't get it. Some of them just blow up because some different things. Maybe Gary Vee bought one of them, or maybe Mark Cuban bought one of them. You know, some big celebrity randomly, or just as a networking with the with the creators of the collection, just purchased one of the NFTs, and that may pump the price. However, 99% of them aren't just sold once. So you can see the collection, the whole collections where each NFT is bought just once, so on initial mint, and every other sale it just absent, so no sales on the secondary market. So that's how you can understand that NFTs right now, 99% of them are just copying the ICOs in 2017. So like 99% are just a scam, because you can even see on their website that they're doing, and they're even planning to do nothing after the sale. A lot of projects are just going to do some merch, some offline meetings, and that's it. So about the Bohemian Bulldogs, what we have in main that's different from another projects is that we're building business on top of the community we're gathering with the NFT. So we look at the NFT as the instrument for us, as the tool for us to move further. First one is the NFT University. I want to explain a little bit about this one. So we're doing these projects for almost 2 months now, and we have gathered a lot of experience. We're new at NFTs, so we know how to trade crypto, we know how to hodl crypto. However, creating the NFT from the inside, knowing the background is something new to us. So we came in here in August, and we decided we found a cool team, a cool squad to create that. So we decided to try ourselves and just to create this NFT drop. For us, it was something new. We spent for now almost 70 Ethereum on advertisement. The shitload of money you can buy a flat somewhere in New York, I guess, for that price. So we spent shitload of money now, and we made mistakes. Something was done pretty inefficient, and we want to share that experience with others. We understand how to lower the expenses on the advertisement. We understand how to start with 10 or 15 Ethereum instead of 70. We understand how to hire vetted illustrators. We understand how to build the SMM team, and that's what we want to share with the beginner NFT projects. That's what we want to share with the authors, with the artists, and this is how we want to help them to promote themselves on the NFT market, on the crypto market. And the most interesting part in all of this is that we aren't planning to take money for that, So when the beginner artist comes to us and we're saying, yeah, guy, well, we're going to help you, but it will cost you 3 to 5 Ethereum. If he's a beginner, he isn't going to pay us that money because he doesn't have them. So we are planning to work on the percentage, on the share price. So on the piece of shares that he's going to do. For example, the artist makes an NFT drop of 3,000 elements. We're taking 300 of them, and that 300 elements will be dropped to the Bohemian Bulldogs community. So you purchase the Bohemian Bulldog NFT once, and you're getting profit from every project we're promoting after the sale. And that's the circle, because the faster and the quicker we do the sale, the more NFTs we sell in a couple of hours, the better case we're having to show off, just to show off to the market and to say, hey guys, here we are successful, we understand how this works, so please come to us for help. We can help you, and we will do it for free, so just no money needed. So that's the win-win strategy for us, for the people who can come to us for the consultation, and for the people who are investing in Bohemian Bulldogs, because they're having the shares that we are receiving, and the floor price on the secondary market rises too. So they're having the valuable asset that they can sell at any time, that they can interchange at any time. So that's the best part of it. The next thing that I also wanted to talk about was the game fight. So this big like NFT university is just one of the ways that we're going to do. We are going to go in three directions simultaneously because, as you understand, as we spend 70 Ethereum on advertisement, we do have resources and we do have abilities to do something crazy like this. The second thing is the GameFi. We want to become the Crypto Kitties 2.0. You know, well, to be honest, that's my dream, to create something as big as the Crypto Kitties. For that, we need, and we came up with an idea of creating the Bohemian Bulldogs family. So we want to create the male Bulldogs, the female Bulldogs, and then merging them to have puppies. So the same logic as the, well, not the same, however, just look-alike logic with the CryptoKitties had. However, we want to implement the utility token into the merging project process. So we're going to drop the women Bulldogs that will be twice as less as the number of male Bulldogs just after the sale, I guess in a couple of weeks. So it's all planned for the Q4 of 2021. We're going to drop to original Bohemian Bulldogs owner the women Bulldogs. Not everyone is going to get them, so that will be some deflationary modal shot. And after receiving the female bulldog, you will be able to merge your male and your female and get some interesting like cross rarity puppy that will contain the genes, the DNA from the male one and from the female one. So that's the game logic that will be done. We are currently still thinking on how we can implement in the best way the utility token to this particular process. However, it will be the best in the markets for now, as I see 100%. And the third one that we're going to do is the development of the decentralized applications. So as NFT creators, we're also NFT investors. And we see how many scams are happening right there on the market. And it's hard for person and for human eye to understand and to scan the project just in the blink of an eye. You know, you don't have so much time to research every one of those projects. So we want to create, and we are already developing it. It's on the starter basis, so it's planned for a late Q4 of 2021, early Q1 of 2022. So it will be the NFT scanner. So it will be an application that will automatically scan the project, scan its smart contracts, scan its holders, scan its social networks, and you will receive the complete dashboard and the complete analysis of that project. So that is how you will be able to understand whether it's worth it or it's not to invest in that kind of project, you know. So these three ways are most important for us. They are our target that we're going to, and regardless, just to be honest, so regardless of how the sale goes, we will be going there. It may take more time if we will not do the sellout. You understand that, because we will not have that case to show off. We will not have that power to talk to the influencers to have lower prices for them, to hire like better developers. Because everyone wants to join just the successful project. No one wants to work for somebody. So yes, that's the strategy, and that's how we're different from anyone else, from my point of view at least. Hey, Mike, it's lonely without you in here.
Here, I'm here, man. That was pretty amazing. Let me get my camera on. That was pretty amazing. I appreciate everything you said about the coin and how it's been developed and what you got going on. Well, let me see if I can bring you in with me here and shut this off, I guess, and this will bring us both in. Let's see if this works. There we go. So absolutely. So another great thing on how I found you is my brother has a bulldog, and
It's a real one, yeah.
I have a dachshund. My other friend has a bulldog, and I like the business guy bulldog. So the that community is going to be really strong too.
Yeah, so
And
we were inspired by the Yves Saint Laurent's bulldog. We have written about this on our website. So a lot of celebrities are having the bulldogs, And there's a lot of animals in the NFTs right now. I don't know whether you research the market. So on the on the OpenSea, you can find anything. You can find sharks, you can find fish, you can find lions, you can find
Dude,
cats, you can find anything.
yeah, you
But
can.
bulldogs,
They're
this
unique.
feels like something you can find. So we will be the first one, I guess.
You know what you could do? You can make exclusive NFT with a celebrity and their bulldog in the same picture, and then give it to them, and they can like, they'll love that one, and they'll
That's
get behind
interesting.
it. Yeah,
That's interesting. So what we have done in our Twitter account, were creating bulldogs, lookalikes of different celebrities, and we ask our community to tag them and to
yeah.
guess and to
Yeah,
guess.
like if I was a celebrity and I had a bulldog, you can make it look like me, and that would be so unique. And dude, I if that was me, and I was a celebrity, like had millions of dollars, I'd pay millions of dollars for it.
Yeah, so
Definitely.
that's the thing that makes a bridge between the community, between the celebrities, between our project. So we're trying our best, and we're trying every technique in the book to make this thing fly, because it will be important. It will bring value not just to for us in the measurement of money. Of course, we are making money after the sale and in the sale. However, the main thing for us, if you even calculate the revenue that we're supposedly getting, like if we do the sellout, it's not that big of a money. So we're not going to be like billionaires. That's not even tens of millions of dollars. So that's just
I'm
the
sure
start.
that's not the purpose of the business. If someone was going to set up a business where it could be like that, it's rare and few, and they usually fail. So, you're
Yes,
looking
yes,
more of the long tail effect,
yeah.
setting it up now. And like I have down the NFTs of the future, it's like getting Bitcoin at $5. Uh, there's no even marketplace in Coinbase yet for NFTs. And this is, how many
Um,
people in Coinbase own a Bulldog?
yeah, so the best way of it, the best thing in this whole topic is that we're still early. So there's so much noise about the NFTs inside this small community in Twitter, in Discord.
Hmm.
However, we're still so early, man, because I understand that Coinbase just now opens the wait list
Yeah, the
for
wait
the
list.
NFT project to join.
Changing my ear. Yeah, they have the wait list now, and I put that in the description below and in my room and on the website. I think that's phenomenal. So what's going to happen is once they list it, it's going to be like an open sea, a Solana sea, just like a collection. You can view all the collections, and everyone's going to have tons of coin in their wallets to do something else, because it's like you can't buy real estate with it. It's not real estate.
Well,
So this
it's
is
not
kind of
something,
like
I
an
guess.
asset like real estate. It could be something that you can hodl and it gains value like real estate, and can't do that with
Well, for
Coinbase.
now, yeah, for now it's just as a collectible. However, we are integrating this collectible inside the utility domain. So we want this collectible to bring value regardless of its market price. Of course, it's the goal to raise the secondary market price, to raise the floor price, and to have it bigger and bigger every time. But we understand that giving people with the with the NFTs the way to the private community to get all that value that I was talking before. That's much better and that's much cooler than just promising the floor price to rise, and that's it. You understand?
Yeah, at this particular level, it's like it's like the buy BFTD. You're just tapping it. You buy a little bit. You buy another one. You buy another one. Then all of a sudden, it gets listed on Coinbase. Comes in like a wrecking ball. You know what I'm saying? And bam, you're like loaded. And that's what we do, man. I'm just like raging. The I love the concept. It's I'm gonna have a pack of them. I got the Shiba dog, I got the bulldog, the dachshund dog. I'm gonna get some horses. I like the animal things that catch my eye is what I like. Things that may catch your eye are like you know a different person. I may be like the characters. Like if you come into, you're gonna be on OpenSea, right?
Yeah, so the
So
the only thing that we can advise just to every NFT investor is just to do his own research, because there's no currently I don't see any like any key to success in this particular domain. You just try and then you see what you get. So you can't guess which project will fly. Instead, of course, if you're not looking like something as Mecca that has like wait list like large as I don't know, like hundreds or thousands of people were waiting for the Mechas to drop. But if we're taking like smaller projects like ours or other ones that are launching like hundreds every day, you can't guess which one of them will have and are having the greatest potential. So you
See,
just need to
yeah, this
research.
this one is not even close to yours. See, like let me get out of this. Let me look. So you got these dogs right here. The Doge punks. Look at they're like fuzz. They're not like clear, but it's related to Doge, so they're expensive. You have let's look at a collection. How about let's go the crypto punks, right? Is that what you the crypto punks?
Yes.
Here it is. So you got these images. These were like, and they're great because, and they're so expensive because they were like the first ones to come out.
And they
They
were
were,
hand drawn, all of
yeah,
them.
right. And there's big volume, 551,000 of Ethereum traded, and there's 3,000 owners. So from the top one, you can get an idea throughout time what it took to get them there, and look for ones that are similar in pattern and the ingredients that they had. And that's doing your research and your due diligence to find the capabilities of a really good one. These, I can't believe, I can't even, well, he's got a cigarette in his mouth. I could see that. But otherwise, it's worth 150 Ethereum. And
Yeah,
Ethereum, let's
that's a
just
lot of
go,
money.
$4,000, just to give people an idea. At $4,000 a coin times 150 Ethereum, that's $600,000. So if you actually click on that guy, this is his price, and it shows you the history of what it's sold for throughout time. Everything's on the blockchain, so you have to
Yeah,
do
well,
due
you anyway,
diligence.
you don't know whether these numbers are real, because you can simulate the sale, you can purchase it from your another account, and that's it. So OpenSea will track that and it will show that information. So that is how we cannot be like 100% sure whether it wasn't like, let's say, money laundering or just a simple volume cheating.
Hmm.
So these big numbers that aren't done by big companies like Visa, or Atari, something like that, that aren't paying big money, we cannot verify.
Right.
um,
So
the,
how would people know that you guys are that it's the right you that they're buying from? You'll have a verification collection right next to you, like
yes,
a
of
check
course, of
mark.
course, of course. We'll go to there. We'll go there, and we will be getting. So that verification page is also gives, if I'm not mistaken, OpenSea gives it to the projects who have over 100 Ethereum in the volume. And of course, we're having our official like social networks, our Twitter account, our Discord account, the main ones. So we will be sharing there the official OpenSea link, for the people not to get scammed, because even now you can search for Bohemian Bulldogs on the OpenSea and you will see some of
Comes
them
up.
already listed. Yes, you can see here you go. So these aren't
So this is
this
not real.
no,
This
this is not real. Yes, you can see it. Just this is the gift that was put in there by me yesterday on the OpenSea testnet. So I was testing the integration with the OpenSea, and it was taken from there. So
mhm.
how quick the guys are. So
They do
they're
that.
tracking everything. Yes, and they understand how this works. So we need to smart them off to be quicker than the scammers. Yes.
Yes.
So
So
all
you
of
have to
these.
be aware when you go on that there's going to be a verified sign there.
Yep, yep. So this one is fake, and of course you can see also that it has like 55 items. So
And it has to be fake because yours is not even out yet. It's the pre-sales tomorrow. So
yep.
you can't even buy these yet. You can't even get them until tomorrow on your website when it goes pre-sale. And you got to be ready. So there's not many dogs that are going to sleep in tonight. Dogs are not going to sleep well tonight. Going to probably be awake all night, maybe a half hour here. The dogs on. If you got a dog, you could be waiting, catch some sleep after you buy some. But yeah, okay, just for people to be aware.
Yeah, and you said that
Because
they're
I would
just
hate for somebody to go on and buy one, and it's, they want to buy yours, and they wound up buying it from the fake one because they didn't see the verified thing, and they
yeah,
just didn't know because they're
yeah,
new
of
to this.
course.
So
Yeah,
this would
so
really help out a lot of people.
we're aware about this type of thing, and we talk to our community and we tell them immediately that we have found some scammers. We have the special channel with the links to the fake Bohemian Bulldogs,
Hmm.
and what we also plan to do is we want to hide all the arts on the for the sale. However, you understand that when people mint their Bulldogs, they want to see immediately what they have bought. So for that, we came up with an interesting know-how, and I guess I've never seen that before. So all the projects are just revealing all the arts simultaneously after the sale ends. So the sale ends, and they change the link inside the smart contract to the new ones, and that is how all the hidden arts are becoming visible. So that's how the reveal works. For now, we are doing the automatic logic where the reveal is happening with the minting. So you mint it, you go to the OpenSea, and you see your art. So that's how it works for now.
Okay, so the people are going to come here tomorrow, and they're going to click connect your wallet,
Yep.
and they're going to MetaMask, connect your
Yeah, you can
MetaMask,
click the MetaMask. Yep. You just sign the transaction. Yeah, and
and
put
you
your
just put in your
password.
password. Right there. So now I'm connected into my MetaMask right
Yeah, you
here.
just push the next button,
I just push
and
the
that's it.
next
Yes,
button,
so you will be
and
connected.
then
Yes, you connect to
account
the website.
connect right here. So my MetaMask is now connecting, and I got to make sure I have enough Ethereum in there.
For the connection you don't. For the connection you don't, and let me explain the reason. So you can, after you pushing the connect button, you will
Okay.
see, well, something's wrong with your, I guess, MetaMask. You can push the cancel button. No. Yes, you can just cancel that. Maybe just try again, because you already had some window opened in the MetaMask, as I
Yeah.
saw. Yeah, so after connecting the wallet, you will be able to copy your referral link, and that's also one thing that we implemented that no one has in the market for now. Is you can copy your referral link, you share it with the friends, and or just with your any community that you are in,
So now
and
I'm in. So now
yeah,
my
yes,
you'll
your
see
wallet.
your wallet connected
Yes,
up
yes.
there.
When you see the copy referral link, you can push that button. I see you have a bigger scale than the normal one.
Hold
That
on.
is why the website here looking a little bit weird. So yes, on the 100% it looks like that. And after you push the copy referral link, you will receive your personal URL for inviting the friends,
Nice. I'll
and
put
just
that
any
in my
member.
chat room.
Yeah, so
I'll put that
everyone.
in the link in the description in the YouTube right now. There you go.
Yeah, so everyone who
Chat.
purchases and who mints the NFT with that link, you are receiving
Nice.
10% cash back from the pre-sale price. So that
Love it.
will be 0.005 Ethereum for each mint. You
So when
understand? So
this thing clicks down to 0 seconds, you click buy right
yeah,
there, and
yeah.
you're ready to go, right?
Yeah, and we will be adding some sort of like calculator or like live counter on the website, just to show how many Bulldogs are already minted for people to understand. So that will also be enabled on the sales start.
Nice. Now, the gas fees, is it going to pop up? Is there a way you can change the setting to get save money on the gas fees? Because what you pay for for the token plus the gas fees is your cost. And if you can reduce the gas, you can make your profitability watermark happen sooner. So is there a way to do that?
Yes, so the gas fees are they are our biggest concern, I would say. So that's the thing that we came to strategically. First of all, we decided and we planned our sale to happen on the weekends. That is how we can expect lower commissions. We're just expecting them because the Ethereum commissions are unpredictable. So we just see some patterns that show that the commissions on Saturday and Sunday just are lower than regular ones. However, the minting prices, they are what they are. So just calling the contract costs the number of gas, and we're having the referral system. We're having some additional features inside of our contract to give it more power, to give it more functionality, and to give more people earn money with us. So all of that, it packs and stacks on, and that is how the price goes up. However, we managed to keep it inside the market average, so it will be like $100 or like 0.02, 0.03 Ethereum. That's the average. However,
That's the way it's going, baby. Total Bohemian Bulldogs. That's what it should be. New shirt, bro. There you go. Total Bohemian. I'm going Bohemian, baby. I love it. Dude, I'm going Bohemian.
yeah, so the price of the NFT, so the gas fees, as I said, yes, they will be near like from 50 to $150, near the $100 range. So that is why we made the sale price pretty low. So zero point zero
Hmm.
0.05 Ethereum on the pre-sale and
Yeah,
zero
that's
point
a
zero
deal.
0.09 Ethereum on the original sale. That's pretty low. So market's average is bigger. Because we understand that people are paying commissions, and that price will be also included into the secondary market price for the NFT for the resale.
Yeah, man. I love the NFTs. I'm looking at one of these dope shibas too. So, you got, the dogs and the corn. It's all interrelated. These shibas, this is going for right now. The shiba, $387 million. Not too shabby, right?
Yeah, man. I'm sorry. So just
Yeah.
the
So
guys told me we're having another huge meeting in six
okay.
minutes. Yes.
Yeah. So you check out, bro. It's been amazing talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you too.
I'll show some people about the website, and it's some good content. I'm gonna review it, and I'm gonna be not sleeping, getting ready to press that buy button and get me some doggy dogs tomorrow. Thanks again. Peace and keep it profitable.
Yeah.
Rough,
Thank you,
rough,
man. Thank you too. Bye
rough,
bye.
rough. Nice guys, dude. I like it. The rough, rough, and the Bohemian Bulldogs. I'm gonna get myself a 6 pack of them babies. So I got the Bohemes. I'm gonna click that buy button, get my Ethereum set. So Ethereum, let's just say it's 4,000 a coin times 0.05. It's $200. Plus, he said you need 100 at least for the gas. So I'm gonna put 350 in my account and get ready to rock and roll. And get ready to rock and roll on that Bohemian Bulldogs, baby. Because, dude, the pre sale, it starts in 21 hours, actually. 21 hours and 24 minutes from now. And, dude, they're like getting Bitcoin at like $5, dude. Did you get Bitcoin at $5? No. Why didn't you get Bitcoin at $5? Why didn't you get Bitcoin at $5? Hey, guys, I'm asking you in the chat room, why didn't you get Bitcoin at $5? You know why? Do you know why? Dude, the answer is because nobody told you about it. Now, am I saying this is like Bitcoin, $5 to 60,000 today, and you're worth millions? I have no idea. But I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't tell you about it. There you go. Let's head over to the MOJO chat room. I want to show you something, okay? So I'm in the chat room right now. These are the NFTs. This is a great commercial. If I played this, they would not let my video go through. So these are the bots, dude. Look, I got Bitcoin at 61,998 right now. Holy camole. Ethereum's 3,900 and Solana, dude. Look at these things are up crazy good. Let me show you what one of my traders says this morning. And I traded great today. Look at Heinz all over the place. You ready? Watch this. Pro Trader Eric. I got in Bitcoin 18 months ago when I first joined the room because I heard Mike talking about it. It was under 10,000. He said it would double, then double again, then double again, etc. I'm up over 400%. Created tremendous wealth for me. It's my favorite holding. I bought GBTC under $10 as well. It's 46 this morning. I'm still holding GBTC as well. Thanks, Mike. My family thanks you as well. And I have another guy on Twitter that I just did the same thing for, and he said thank you as well. Did the same thing for him. A master pro trader Acre in the room. Pasted, done, in the room. So that's awesome and epic. And then I traded the stocks right here. Look, ABVC through 3. There's 298, 299, 304. Sold 309. Great job. LMFA 503. Traded the futures, made 860 by that time. Then we're getting long CEI at 129 to 30. Here's XXII to go through Heinz, $3. Heinz is a trade that goes through the whole number. It's slow in anticipation of it going through, just like a bottle of Heinz ketchup. There's LMFA through 5 to 532, new high 535, right here. See, look, 505, the high's 510.
Yeah, baby, nailed it.
And here's 533 by 535. And here's 566 by 568. And here's 570 on LMFA. 570. Here's the other one that went through 308. Heinz, 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 all over the place. Here's PHUN going to go through $1 Heinz. See? $1, right? Look, Heinz, 101, 102. It works every single time. CEI new high, 141, 142, 143. Sold half of CEI, 144. Picks are flying out great in the Mojo room today. Up 1,300 in the futures. Trading stocks, futures, and crypto and NFTs. Goals are done for the day by 11 a.m. It only takes 3 trades to hit your daily goal. Then we did some more trading. LMFA, he made 1,430 for the day. Great job. Nice. Master Pro Trader, thanks him as well. Made a fortune for him. As NFTs are the future, I do believe. I do believe. Nice. Dude, I'm the dog. I'm the business dog. See me, the business dog up there? That's me. I'm the business dog. I'm the business dog. So, dude, I like it. Check out the NFT rears. I'm going to be clicking that. I got to put some Ethereum in my MetaMask. You guys got to go like this. Click MetaMask and or sign up for it. Here's your account right here. You copy this to your clipboard right there. See it? Copy. Then you go into Coinbase. You go into Ethereum. You send it to that address. It goes right over there. MetaMask is a Google application for Chrome, an extension. You have any questions, you can always email me at info@mojodaytrading.com. I'll be happy to help you. I will be happy to help you, dude. I'm Pro Trader Mike. I'll help you. So the pre-sale starts in 21 hours for the Bohemian Bulldogs. The NFTs are your future. And dude, give me a smash and a like on this thing. Come on now. All right, so I'm going to be on those Bohemian Bulldogs. Here's a video they have. Nice. I like it. So, guys, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Get a good night's sleep, and we get some bully doggies and some of that action. And hit that like button and subscribe so when I do my next one, I tell you about the next golden gem. You're ready. Peace, guys. See ya. Have a good weekend. See what I can end with. That's pretty good.